Let's learn how to change the font in Google Sheets. I have a list of names in my sheet here, and then the departments, and by default, this list is in Arial. So if I want to change the fonts, I'll go to Format, and then click on Themes, and then move here to Customize, click on it, then I'll move down to the font, click on the drop-down menu, and this will give me at least about 5 fonts from which I can choose. So let's say I select that one, and as you can see, our font has changed. If I want, I could change the color of the text or the chart background, but I'm most interested in showing you how to change the font in Google Sheets, so I'll say done. Now, one thing you should note is that the font you have adjusted to in this particular workbook will remain the same in all the sheets you're going to work through. Once you change to another workbook, you'll have to readjust the font accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has been helpful. Please try it out and follow for more tips.